How to copy a post link on your creator account page on Patreon. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is go to patreon.com and then log into your account. This is the home page. As you can see now, all what you have to do is go to your creator account from here and go to the post that you want to copy the link of. For example, I'm gonna choose this one. Now all what you have to do is click here and then click on copy post link. After you click on it, now the link is copied successfully, as you can see right here. And here you go. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. And thank you for watching until the end. See you later.